Baby, these sliders was so bust. Like, I kid you not. You know they ain't see me in the kitchen. I'm finna show you how to make them. You're gonna need some sweet Hawaiian rolls on period. Then you're gonna make this special sauce. You're gonna need some shredded lettuce. Make sure it's shredded. You're gonna chop up some veggies. You're gonna need some red onions. Add it to your shredded lettuce. Some dill pickles and some banana peppers. Make sure you chop them up small. If you like mayo like me, you're gonna put a lot in there. Then we got your submarine dressing on period. You're gonna mix it all up. It should look like this. Then you're gonna put it in the refrigerator while you follow the rest of the steps. So you're gonna need this to be on chill. Ham, salami, pepperoni. Those are the 3 meats that we're using for your Italian sliders. You're gonna chop them up like so. Then you're gonna put it in a skillet with some butter and you're going to basically cook them. We don't want no raw meat. Melted butter, you're going to add some Italian seasoning and garlic powder. Then you're going to cut the bread in half. Hear me out. You're going to toast it for 10 minutes with some butter. And then you're going to put this cheese on the bottom row. Then you're going to add your cooked meat to it. Boom. Sprinkle a little bit of Italian seasoning over the top. That is key. Then you're going to put another layer of cheese on top of that. Then you're going to take your bread, put that on top. Use your melted butter concoction. It's going to look like this, honey. This is what you're going to stick in the oven for about, I'd say 15 to 20 minutes. It's going to come out looking like this, nice and toasted, period. Then you're going to take the top layer off. You're going to put your onion concoction, your cold concoction on top. Y'all, bust. Listen, I kid you not. Firehouse what? Okay, and thank me later. Pair it with your favorite chips.